Hey, welcome back, everyone. You got Kate and I here with another week on Ghost Investing. We got the merch. We're official. We're excited. It's going to be another great week. Let's dive into what we did for let's see. It's June 29th, and it's only a 3-day week again. Markets closed on Friday. I don't know if you knew that. Uh,
Dude.
but let's go into the options. So I'm just going to share my Robinhood account that I'm trading Ghost with. I still own, so this is the 4th week now that I've owned the Soxal shares at 265. I sold another call for $340, just to lock in some more profit. Obviously, Soxal had a big dip, and then I ended up selling a put at 190, and I believe that was 750. Yep, 750. So I made about $1,000 this week off option trading. One thing that I thought was really cool is I've sold so many options now and capitalized on the premium that I now have the cash to do another if it goes against, which is cool, because I know originally I only had enough capital to do two, but now I can add a third. So I liked my price points though, 190, 270. My next one would probably be like 150-ish range, if it really went against. But that's what I did this week, is just keep riding out Soxal. Implied volatility is still really high. You can look at the options. We're still above 200%. So obviously it's super expensive to purchase. So we kind of like Soxal long term, and we like how expensive the options are because we make more premium. But I know Cade did something a little bit different. Cade, why don't you tell us what you did?
Yeah, well, so a little bit similar, but I have different price entry points to max. So I've been holding shares the same amount of time as Mac, 4 weeks at 250. And I actually haven't sold a call on those yet. Soxal is just so volatile that I'm actually going to wait for it to get closer to 250 before I sell that one. It's currently trading about 223. But I own shares at 225, and I did sell a call on those for about 1100. And then when the price got all the way down to like 195, I believe was its low today, I sold a put at 182 for $1,100 as well. And then the price, as we just said, got back up to 223. So it's literally gone up almost $30 from when I sold that put. And I
Crazy.
made $620 of the 1100. And so I actually bought it back and locked that in. So just made a cool 600 with no risk this morning. So feeling pretty good about that.
Yeah, that's actually so cool. Honestly, I should be a little bit more hands-on. Just like do like one pretty low, goes again, just buy it back with my third option. Maybe that's what I'll do.
Well, this is supposed to be super hands off, but yeah, I just thought, you know what? I'd love it at 182. And
Yeah.
that's the biggest thing, right? Sell puts where you want to buy in.
Yeah. I mean, I liked 190. That was my price. I was like, I'd be really happy with it. So I do know there was another person using Ghost who is way less risk, or more risk averse than us. And so he just needs like 150, $200 to get his 20% for the year. And so he did a Soxal well below at like 150, 140. So there needs to be like a crash, and the premiums for Soxal are still going at that. So that was cool to see. There's just a couple ways you can do it, but that's this week. We'll get back to you on Friday with how the market closes. We obviously think it's going to be kind of what it's been doing. Just wouldn't be surprised if Sox is at 300 tomorrow. Wouldn't be surprised if it's at 160 tomorrow. That's just what the market's doing right now.
Yep. And
So
that's why we're getting paid so much to trade it. So
it's good. Good, another good week. But we'll keep you guys posted. But that's it for us.
peace.